Hey guys, what's going on? We're coming live from Kettlehead Brewing Company, which is about 20 minutes from the Steel Hill resort that we're staying at.
Cheers!
There's the lovely Jen. She's drinking her IPA. We got nachos for an appetizer. They look pretty bomb.
Ground beef, cheese sauce. I think she said pickled jalapenos. Let me just give that a little taste. Really good. I'm into it.
Awesome.
Beers are good.
Yeah, as you can tell, I'm really enjoying my beer. We got this little peek inside there. So this place is pretty bomb city. We're enjoying it so far. So I got the Neuvo something. It's a Mexican-inspired beer. But on an 85-degree day, this is very refreshing, guys.
Outside seating here. We're enjoying the views. Let's see what these nachos are all about.
Yeah.
Not so much of a cheese pull because it's a beer cheese on here, but it looks good.
Well, let's see how that first bite is. What do you think, young lady?
Love it. That's a good nacho.
Awesome. Stay tuned for more content, guys.
Alright guys, we are just checking in, enjoying our time here at Kettlehead Brewery.
Absolutely. So normally you're supposed to sample multiple beers when you do a taste test, but I like this one so much I had to go with another one. This one's called Nuevo Fresco. It's a twist on their Mexican style of beer. It's a Mexican style of lager, like a Corona or a Dos Equis. So good, I gave it an 8.5.
Yes, mine's great too. We enjoyed the nachos. We are still working on those. Just wanted to show you guys a little where we are, just on a back road here. This parking lot, we're enjoying that outside seating. A couple other tables out here, and then like Michael showed you, some cool art inside.
All right, guys, our dinner has arrived. I got a cheeseburger. They call it a smash burger here. Lovely Jen with the buffalo chicken sandwich. They do the buffalo chicken sandwich a little different here. Is it maple buffalo? I think it is.
I think so. Yeah, she recommended
with
it.
Fries. So they both came highly suggested. And Jen, what did you think of the nachos again? I want to get this on film.
I loved it. I think that was one of the best nachos we've had in a long time.
And can you give the score for the crowd?
I think it's a 10.
She gave it a 10, which is probably the highest score we've ever given to any review. I gave the nachos about an 8.3, but Jen gave it a 10, so that's the first 10 of any of our reviews. Stay tuned for the first bite of the burger. All right, guys, here's the salt pour. Pepper. Take the first taste here. Very good, guys. Very good.
Let's open that burger. Let's see what's in there. Looks good. I see some pickles on the bottom. You're probably going to want to take those out.
Yep. But overall, the burger looks legit.
Michael's going in for his first bite. Took those pickles out. Shoestring fries. So this is the single.
Very good.
Oh, we're getting a thumbs up. This is a single. Let's see what the inside looks like. Can't see it. There we go. That's
very good.
And here's mine. This is the blue cheese buffalo sandwich.
All right, guys, we are back, and we got two more beers. We got the Agent and the Dorado Falcon. Jen's going to take a sip of the Dorado Falcon, which is a pale ale. What do you think of that, young lady?
It's really good. It has a little bit of something citrusy in there.
Very nice.
Very fresh and smooth. Very good. Let's see what this one is.
And that's the Agent. So these are the top two beers. We spoke to our waitress, Natalie. She said these were the top two sellers for the brewery here.
Both really good.
And one thing I got to say about Kettlehead Brewing Company is that, we've been to many breweries before, but this one, they have very good food as well. A lot of breweries, they don't have good food. They'll bring food trucks and stuff of that nature. This one, the food was phenomenal. I gave my burger about a 9. Jen gave the nachos a 10. And what did you give your chicken sandwich? About an 8?
Yeah, very good.
So she gave it about an 8 for the chicken sandwich. So the food was a win. So if you guys are in Tilton, New Hampshire area, definitely give these beers a try. She also had the Plum beer. She's still drinking that one. We just got these two. I had the Nuevo Fresco, which is like a lager. I gave that an 8.5. I had a sip of Jen's Plum. I gave that about an 8. What did you give the Plum?
I'm going 9s all around.
She's 9s all around. So she likes all of them. 9s all around.
Cheers.
Cheers all the way through, guys. So that's what we got here. Stay tuned for the happy recap shortly.
Alright guys, here is the inside. Just checking it out. Lots of cool art. The walls here. Looks like those are the casks back there. This is the brew pub. Some merch.
Alright guys, we're back with a happy recap of Kettlehead Brewing Company in Tilton, New Hampshire.
We loved it. Highly recommend it.
Overall, it was probably the best brewery I've ever been to in my life in terms of quality of service, the food, the drinks, everything was on point. It was the first 10 of any of the reviews we've ever given. Jen gave those nachos a 10 out of 10.
Delicious.
I gave them, I think, an 8.3. I burger a 9, so I gave it a high score for the burger as well. So food was on point. Yeah, you hardly ever see great food at a brewery. The service was also on point, as Jen mentioned. We ordered, asked what the 2 favorite beers are, or the 2 highest rated beers were there. And she brought me, we ordered one, and she brought me a sample of the other one without even asking, so that was on point. So we loved that. So overall, high scores for that. And if you're ever in the Tilton area, definitely check it out, Kettlehead Brewing Company.
We'll definitely be going back there next time for sure. We're adding it to our list. We're following them on Instagram. And one of my friends that I used to work with knows one of the brew masters there. So maybe Donnie, you can hook us up, and next time we'll get the full tour of the inside of the brewery where the magic happens.
Absolutely. So until next time, guys, we'll catch you at the next brewery, or at another hotel, or at Chicken Parm Throwdown, or something of that nature. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you later. Click and subscribe if you like the video. Peace, guys. Peace.